Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss, making $10,000 a month using TikTok. TikTok has become a global phenomenon, and many creators are finding success and earning a significant income from the platform. In this video, we'll share some strategies and tips on how you can leverage TikTok to generate a substantial monthly income. Let's dive in. Segment 1. Choosing your niche. The first step to making money on TikTok is identifying your niche. Find an area you're passionate about and knowledgeable in. This could be anything from cooking, fashion, fitness, or even DIY crafts. It's important to choose a niche that aligns with your interests and expertise, as this will help you create engaging content. Segment 2. Content creation and consistency. Creating high-quality content is key to building a successful TikTok channel. Use your creativity and unique style to make your videos stand out. Experiment with different formats, trends, and editing techniques. Remember to keep your videos concise and attention-grabbing, as TikTok's algorithm favors shorter content. Consistency is equally important. Aim to post consistently, ideally at least once a day or a few times a week. Regular uploads will help you build an audience and increase your chances of going viral. Segment 3. Building your audience. Growing your audience is crucial for monetizing your TikTok account. To attract followers, engage with the TikTok community by interacting with other users' content, leaving comments, and participating in trends. Collaborating with other creators through duets and shoutouts can also help expand your reach. Another effective strategy is to cross-promote your TikTok account on other social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or Twitter. This way, you can redirect your existing followers to your TikTok channel, helping you gain traction quickly. Monetization opportunities. Now let's talk about the various ways you can monetize your TikTok account and start making that $10,000 a month. Brand partnerships and influencer marketing. As your TikTok following grows, brands may approach you for sponsored content or influencer collaborations. Ensure that the brands you work with align with your niche and values. TikTok Creator Fund. Once you meet TikTok's eligibility requirements, you can apply to join the TikTok Creator Fund. This program allows you to earn money based on your video views. Selling merchandise. Leverage your brand and create your own merchandise line. This can range from clothing and accessories to digital products like ebooks or online courses. Live streaming. TikTok's live streaming feature enables viewers to send virtual gifts, and you can earn a percentage of the gift's value. Affiliate marketing. Join affiliate programs and promote products or services through your TikTok videos. Include unique links or discount codes, and you'll earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. Segment 5. Analyzing and adapting to ensure continuous growth and optimization. Analyze your TikTok analytics regularly. Pay attention to which videos perform well, the demographics of your audience, and the best times to post. Adapt your content strategy based on these insights, and don't be afraid to try new things to keep your audience engaged. Conclusion. Making $10,000 a month on TikTok is absolutely achievable if you're dedicated, consistent, and focused on providing value to your audience. Remember to choose your niche wisely, create captivating content, engage with your audience, and explore various monetization opportunities. That wraps up today's video on how to make $10,000 a month using TikTok. We hope you found these strategies and tips helpful. Remember, building a successful TikTok channel takes time, effort, and dedication, but with consistency and the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable venture. Keep in mind that TikTok is constantly evolving, so staying updated with the latest trends and features will give you a competitive edge. Don't be afraid to think outside the box, experiment with new ideas, and always listen to your audience's feedback. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more content about social media strategies and online entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss any future uploads. As always, we appreciate your support, and if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for watching, and we wish you all the best in your TikTok journey. Remember, with consistency, creativity, and a strategic approach, that $10,000 a month goal is within reach. Until next time, happy TikToking!